Hello, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Brave rewards. So basically there are two type of Brave rewards. One is that you use Brave and earn rewards by watching ads, and another reward is, and this is usually automatic, like every 6th of every month they will pay it into your Brave account. And there is another reward like Brave reward for creators. That is if you ask people to install the browser using your link. Okay, so for example I log into my Brave creator account. Okay, you can see it'll send me a link. So here you go, here you can see the every month. This month I put like two people to install the Brave browser. They download and install it. So once the 30-day confirmation time pass, I will get some reward. Like I can show you for the month of April. I Let's my friend to install the Brave browser and get the 6.50 USD dollar Brave reward. So these two type of Brave rewards. Okay, so to withdraw these Brave reward usually basically go into Uphold account. You need to use KYC non your customer identification to create your Uphold account. So all the reward from these two sections will come into your this account. So you can see here I have couple of Brave browser record reward, and I have Brave reward that I earn using creator reward, this one. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw these rewards. So first thing first, so in order to withdraw, what you need to do, you need to click on this particular thing. Go to at the moment I have my Brave reward in two different, like one in Brave browser, and if I show you another one is Brave rewards. So I have two different account to. So first I want to merge these Brave rewards. So to using that, I need to go to the send to upload card. Okay, select a search for card. Okay, so we have here, so use all available font. Okay, so from this Brave browser I want to send into my Brave rewards. So it basically goes, or we can, okay, so if confirm, so as soon as we confirm, so the transaction is successful. And if I go back into my Uphold account now, you can see I have all my Brave reward in one particular things. To send this Brave reward into my any exchange, today I'm going to show you with Binance, and some other day I will show you what other. So for example, if I want to withdraw from this reward to my Binance exchange, I have to click this one. Go to, you don't worry about any of these section. You go into to crypto utility or build token. Okay, you can withdraw like in Bitcoin, Dash, anything, the Brave reward from here. But for the demonstration of the video, I will use so Brave. So select a destination. Here you put the address of the exchange where you want to withdraw. It could be Binance, it could be any exchange, it could be Ledger, Nano, whatever. So if today I want to go to the Binance. So first thing first, go into Binance exchange, search for BAT. Okay, deposit. You can see at the moment I don't have any BAT. So what I do, copy that address, go into my Uphold account, paste that address where I want to withdraw. Okay, so it's a Ethereum address basically, because BAT is a token. So how much BAT I want to send, he's asking me. Yeah, okay, let's do 30 BAT. Okay, message my Brave. You can do any message reward to Binance. Okay, so you select the address here. You put the amount of the bet that you want to withdraw. You can use all fund to withdraw, and you can put message. The message is optional. Okay, so you just put simply confirm. So once you confirm, they will ask you, are you sure you want to send this one? You just again confirm. Here they will send you a 6-digit Google Authenticator code. I put that code is the moment is 591305, and as soon as I confirm, so the value sent okay. So I go back. You can see if I go out this. So in couple of minutes, here is the transaction. It's happening. All the transaction that you have been done will be here. Whatever the amount you received, you can see at the moment it is processing. So meanwhile it's processing, let's wait. Once it's done, I will come back and show you guys. So guys, here we go. After 2 or 3 minutes, we will receive a message. Here you go. You can see we received 30 baht, and we can confirm. If we go into deposited, we can see today we got deposit 30 baht. Okay, from this address you can check the transaction ID, and you can get the message. Okay, 1 minute ago you have deposited 30 baht. Okay, so this is a straightforward process. Even in the email we get the message, okay, you have received 30 baht in your Binance account. See, this is a very straightforward process. Even though if we received 30 baht already, but usually the Brave browser, if you go into here, Uphold account, it it's showing around still 4 or 5 minutes more to processing, but the transaction is usually already happened. Okay, so that's a really straightforward process. If you guys have any question, comment, or if you want me to show you who again, or you have any problem setting up Uphold account or withdrawing your Brave rewards, please feel free to comment in the section and I will help you. And if you want any other videos that you want me to make a video, please let me know so I will make for you guys. That's it, really much. Thank you. Enjoy your have a lovely one.